I don't know how to start this video off. I am exhausted. So hello everybody, this is Carmen again, and today I'm going to show you what I eat. This right now, I'm just getting off from work. So I want to show you guys what I eat and how I prepare my food when I want to save money or budget money, because I know it can be expensive eating out. And at times I can't eat a lot of sodium, which is a lot of salt, like the cup noodles and stuff. It's too much. So let me show you what I eat. So I really want to try the Mexican tuna salad. So I got cumin. I went and got I got a lime, red or purple onion, a tomato, some sour cream. I couldn't afford the creamer, but that's fine. I have the tostada. I got the seedless cucumber. I know I need the McCormick with lime juice. I got 2 cans of the albacore tuna. It was on sale. I know everybody don't shop at Walmart, but it was on sale for $1 and I think 37. I got cilantro. I got some black pepper. I got salt. I have the pickled sliced onions, some smoked paprika, and some corn. So basically, what I'm going to do is chop up everything. And I'm going to use my black container and stuff. So I'm gonna wash my vegetables and stuff. I also gonna transfer it in my Hello Kitty container. And I went to the storage unit. Called myself looking for my other camera and messed around, had to reorganize the storage unit because due to the fact that everything fell. But it was fine. I had to reorganize it anyway. So give me 1 minute. I'm gonna come right back and let me chop up everything. Okay, I'm back, and I want to show y'all what I got so far. So I cut up the purple onions, the cucumber, the tomatoes, and the cilantro. So I'm about to open up the canned tuna, and this onion is loud. But what I want to do is I want to add my seasonings in first. So hold on. Okay, so I added the seasonings in, which I added the cumin, the smoked paprika, the black pepper, and the salt. And I'm using the coarse black pepper, which I like because I just like the coarse black pepper. So let me open up the corn, and I'm going to add a little bit. And I said pickled onions, but this is the sliced jalapenos. And I'm going to chop these up and add a little bit of juice to this, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I chopped up the peppers and everything. I know it looks watery because I added a little bit of juice. So what I'm about to do is drain out the tuna, because I have to do all this like in a process. So, oh shoot. Let me get this tuna can open, and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I got the tuna out the can, I had to work some stuff. So now I'm about to add the mayonnaise with lime. And I'm about to roll out my lime. And I'm going to squeeze the juice in. And I'll be back. I mean, I have to do everything in increments because by me cutting and doing a lot of stuff, I don't want to bump the camera and my phone falls right into the food. So I'm going to be popping in and out. So give me 1 second while I do this. Okay, this is the tuna salad. I think I tried to drain as much juice off that I can, but I'm gonna still eat it. And I seasoned it enough, but I don't want to make it too salty. But I'm about to eat it with my tostadas, and I'm finna go get my hot sauce, and I'm gonna show you how I put it together. Okay, so I want to come back and show my meal before it gets too dark. And I put some of that Valentina hot sauce on it. So here's my tostada, and I am about to slam this right now because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna come back once I finish and let y'all guys know how it tastes. Okay, so I'm back and I'm stuffed. So I'm about to make up my bed, which is in my car, and I have to figure out a way to get the footage off my camera that I recorded, but I'm gonna figure that out because I've been recording for today, which is April 3rd. But let me make up my little palette where I'm at, and I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so this is my little palette. I sleep right next to my steering wheel, and you want to be safe because you want to sleep right next to it. That's what I recommend. If you live it out of your car, always sleep where the driver's side is, right there, you know, just in case if anything happened or you need, you know, you could be right there. So right here, my windows are covered, except for my back window because I'm a light sleeper and I need to hear and see. And I cover all the side windows, even my front window with my visor and on my driver's side. And this is just for my protection, you know, a little bit of privacy and so forth. But right here's my covers and stuff that I'm about to get ready to wrap myself up in. And once I get situated, I'm gonna come right back because I'm holding my phone in my hand, and I want to be able to make my little palette up before I before I talk and end this day. Okay, so now I'm back, and I'm all set up, and I got my blankets and everything with me. And I'm gonna end this day because this is April 3rd. It's on a Thursday, and I'm trying to get as much footage as I can get because I'm recording off my phone, because I need to transfer the files from my camera, and I got to figure out how to do that to my iPad because my card is full. So just stay with me, and I'm going to record the next day because I'm off for the next 2 days. So I'm going to record Friday, which is April 4th. And that's my mother's birthday, and she's no longer here. So I'm going to end this vlog, and I'm going to go to sleep and get me some rest because I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and I had to go to work. I'm trying to use the light in my car because I think I put my other light that I attached to my phone and my camera in my trunk. But I'm going to do a separate video on when you're living in your car, how you protect yourself. And I'm going to do that on Saturday. and you know what all you need and how to stay protected if you ever get into a situation like this. So y'all have a good night, and I'll be back tomorrow. So good morning, YouTube. This is Carmen, and it is April 4th, and I am waking up. I think it's around almost 6 something in the morning. No, it's like 5:41. So I am about to get up, as y'all can see. And if anyone is new here coming in, my name is Carmen, and I am 47, and I'm living in my car. I've been living in my car since 2023, and I'm going to be shooting, recording my vlog on how I live in my car everyday life. So everything is fine. I got to pull my light out to attach to my phone the next time I record, and when it's dark, but it's still kind of dark. But I'm about to get ready to get up and move around, but I'm going to record how I wash my face in the morning, which I got sleep in my eye. And I recorded it before the other day, which was yesterday morning when I was getting up from work, and I didn't have any sound. So I think when my phone was attached to my car, the sound was gone. So I'm going to re-record it again. So I'm about to get up, and I'm gonna get set up and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my face, what I use, and what I keep on me. Okay, up in here talking and thought I was recording. So you hear my car running right now, and the reason why I'm running my car is because so it can stay heated. But I'm gonna do a separate video on what you need, how to keep your body warm, and how often you should keep your car running, and you know, certain things you need. But today is Saturday, April 4th, which is my mom's birthday. She's no longer here, so I'm going to use this be washing my face, and I'm going to use this bowl. I have my towel, I have my spongy I use for my face, and this is basically my skincare bag. I did a video yesterday morning, and for some reason I didn't have any sound. So what I use for my face, I like using this, the Noxzema, because it helps when I have, you know, little pimple breakouts. The Cetaphil, because I have normal to oily skin, I use this. And I have my sunscreen by Molecules, which I do use. I have my eye cream, which I love to use through them. What else I have? I have my daily brightener. I also use these witch hazel packets, even though I wear makeup from time to time, but I use these to cleanse my face. I have their lightweight Daily Clean, which is the Molecules. What else I have? My overnight mask I use on my face at night. And I also have the toner that I use through them. And then I have my the discoloration correction. So I have my daily skincare, what I do and what I use throughout the week. Each day I'm cleaning my face. So let's get into it. first thing first, I purchased this canister. It's a Stanley canister, and it holds hot water. And the reason why, because you want to keep you some hot water while you in the car. Always, because you never know. You may want some tea. You may want some noodles, so forth. You may have to wash your face. So, I'm going to pour this water in. And you can still see it's hot if you can still see it. And it's still hot. So always keep you some water bottles and some hot water on you, because you never know what situation you may get in, you know. And how I heat up my hot water is at work. I boil some water, get it hot enough, and I pour it inside the canister, and it stays hot for 24 hours. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to wet my face. And it's hot. It's hot. When I say you it's hot, it's hot. So let me go ahead on and wet my face. And I think I already had soap on here. But I'm going to add some more of my Cetaphil. Add a little bit to it. And that's how I go in. And I'm about to scrub my face. So this is how I clean my face. And I like this little sponge. So now I'm about to rinse it. And I'm rinsing my face. And that's how I keep my face washed. Hold on, let me dry. And if the water is a little bit too hot, you can always pour some temperature water that you have in your car to bring the temperature down. Clean my ears out. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my towel and my sponge out. And I gotta buy me some more bottles of water. And I'm just squeezing out my sponge. So I'm going to hang out my towel so it can dry throughout the day. And I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my face is dry, I'm going to go ahead and dry my hands off a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my toner, because I haven't been using my toner like I should. So I'm gonna go in with my toner, and I'm using the Molecules toner. For my face. And this is what I use. I showed is the Not damn it. Brighten the tone. I can't even pronounce the word, but yeah, I like their products. So okay. So now I use that, and then I also go in with my Noxzema hat for breakouts, any breakouts. And I like it because it exfoliates your skin. So I'm using that because I got a little bit of a pimple and I don't want to pop it. So the only thing I can do is cleanse it. So I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be back. Okay, so now before anything, I always use the SPF 30, and it's the sunscreen. What the heck is that? Yeah, piece of hair. And I use this on my face because it helps protect my face from the sun. I recommend you use it. Even use it on your hands too. And I just don't put it on my face. I put it on my neck too. Because during the summertime when the sun is bright, I always tan up on my forehead, and this has helped. So after I go in with that, I use a little bit of the lightweight cream. Just a little bit goes a long way. And I use a little bit of that. So when it comes to my serums, I always use a little bit, so that way my pores won't feel like they clogged in. So especially with the discoloration one, I only use like that much, because a little of this goes a long way. I'm gonna give this a few seconds to dry into my skin, and while that's drying into my skin, I'm going to use my brightener makeup eye cream. It's the Year Bomb matte, and it's the eye cream, and I like this one, and a little bit of this goes a long way too. Okay, and that's that. And let my eye cream dry up. And then next, I'm going to go in with my brightener, and I'm only going to use a little bit of that too. And that's that for my skincare until I do it again tonight. All right, so my skincare is complete, and what I'm about to get ready to do now, I'm about to take down all the little curtains I have that's when I cover my windows at night. And I'll be back because now I don't want to drive. Why? Oh, before I do that, let me rinse my mouth out. And I have to make me some more mouthwash solution. It's my little toothpaste I use. Okay, so I'm back. So I went and I got me some coffee, and what I'm going to do is I'm at the gym right now, so I want to try to eat something. That Mexican tuna that I made, which was good, I want to eat the rest of that because I don't want it to go bad. So I'm going to eat on that. And I wanted to do my hair. I wanted to like tone it up because it is growing out a lot every time I cut my hair. And I'll probably show you guys like the process of me doing hair, doing my own hair, because I bleach my own hair, I cut my own hair. But I want to wait, but it depends, because I don't want to do it today. I'll probably do it tomorrow, and that way I can do a step-by-step process on how I do my hair, especially living out of my car. So right now, I'm about to get ready to eat, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I know it's a horn back there, but I'm sorry for the noise. But I know the sun is bright. Don't look at this. These the clothes I have to wash. So this right here is my bag. I showed it in my first video. And right now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to pack up some stuff because I'm about to go into the gym. And I'm about to wash up. So I have my lotion. I'm gonna put on some body, trying to get the camera right, some body mist spray. I have a sugar scrub already. This is one of my sugar scrubs that I make by hand from my business. My scrunchies I have, not scrunchies, but my affiliated scrubs. And my other scrubs, I like these. These feel good. This one right here is for my face. I have Vaseline. This one I got from Marshall's. It smells so good, and it's real nice and thick. I have my deodorant. And when I want to scrape my tongue. I'm going to put on some leggings today. And then I'm trying to find me a shirt, so I'll be back. Okay, so I got my bag and everything, and I'm on my way to the gym, so I can go handle my hygiene needs. I have to buy a USB-C card because my memory card is full on my camera. and I'm uploading it on my tablet so I can be able to edit my videos and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to check around and see how much. I know everybody don't like Walmart, but it's a cheaper place, so I probably have to go there and get it. But I'm gonna see y'all once I make it in the gym. So now I'm at the gym and I'm on my way to the ladies' room, locker room, so I can handle my needs and stuff like that. Excuse me. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm in the shower part, and that's all my essentials right there. And I'm about to take a shower, and I'll be right back. So outfit check. My little t-shirt that says Virgo and my blue jean. So we are heading out to gym. Let's get to the car. Okay, so I'm at my car. I know the sun is bright. I'm gonna try to see if my head can hide it. But I'm at my car and I'm about to put my bag in the trunk. And once I do that, I'm trying to see if I can, trying to see where I want to go. For now, if my friend is home, but I breaks my bag down, so I take out all my dirty clothes and keep them separate from my clean clothes, which I need to go to the laundromat. But I know the sun is bright, so give me a minute. Okay, so I'm in the car right now, and I'm about to see where I can go. Probably go sit down. I am sweating like a storm because it's hot. Well, yeah, because I just finished taking a shower at the gym. So I'm gonna decide what my next destination is, and once I do that, I will tap back in with you guys, because I am hungry. So I'm gonna have to figure out a budget on what I want to eat and how much I'm gonna spend. But I'm also do a video on what I eat in a day as far as living out of my car and my budget. So stick around. So let me find somewhere to eat at and I'll be back. Oh shoot, so I gotta make sure I'm recording. The restaurant I decided to go to, and I'm about to show you in a minute, because they reasonable and they have deals on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it's not I go here every day, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. If you know, that's where I go to. So let's go in and get us a table. Oh, thank you. So I'm sitting at the counter, and I'm gonna order my food. And I think they upgraded their menu, so let's take a look at their menu. back outside to pick out my meal. So this is what I got. I just wanted some water with some lemon. And I already started eating the hash browns for $1.99 extra. So the pancakes, eggs, and ham was like $7.99, special was $7.89, almost $10. So yeah, this is what I'm about to eat and munch on. Okay, I am so full. I could not eat all my pancakes, so I'm gonna take it with me. I'll just have it for later. That way I won't have to spend any extra money on food. But we're gonna go to a different mall today. I was gonna go to my friend's house, but I think he's working, so I don't like to pop over no one's house unless they give me the okay. So I don't want to drive with my recording while my phone is on, because I have a little bit of PTSD of driving, recording, and I can't do it. So I'm gonna drive to the mall. Once I make it there, I'm going to record it. I made it to the mall, and we're gonna explore a little bit and see what all we can see. So let me get to the ladies' room and wash my hands, and I'll be back. So I want to go in Macy's, and I just like going in Macy's, and I want to see their the Dior collection. Yeah, I have on my glasses so I can see from a distance while I'm driving. But I want to go in there. I just like to go and look. And I know people gonna be like, oh, you live in your car, and how you able to afford Dior and all this and that. Please, regardless, you whatever situation you in, still don't never deprive yourself of getting you something nice here and there. You know, just because you're in a situation. So let's go, and I'm gonna meet y'all there. Let's go into Macy's. Okay, so I love coming up in this place here just to see what type of chocolate they got. And it looks so delicious. Let's go. How you doing? All right. Thank you. I will. Thank you.
This one, I wear it on the daily and I get compliments like crazy.
Oh, shoot.
Everywhere.
I want to smell this one.
Yeah,
But that one smells good. That one smells real good.
The original is more of a floral fresh compared to the exclusive. The exclusive
Girl.
one to me
Okay, so I wanted to basically end the vlog. I know the lighting is kind of off because I am in my car using the lights inside my car, but I'm going to end this vlog and then I'm going to edit. I didn't record the everything else in the mall because I know some people don't like to be recording. I try not to catch everybody on camera and stuff like that, but when you're in the mall, I have, I turn the phone down to the floor until I make it to the store. But I did go in Apple for them to clean this my speaker, my microphone now, and it was debris in there and so forth. And I stopped in AT&T and another skincare shop. So basically, and then I went to Raising Cane's to get me something to snack on. And then I ended up back here. So what I'm going to do, oh, hold on, my car lights turned off. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this vlog with this, and I'm going to edit all the footage that I got, and then I'm going to upload it Saturday. And then I'm going to start recording Saturday because I'm off Friday, which is today, and then I'm off tomorrow. So I'm going to try to upload as much as I can, and I'm going to I did upload a short on how I do my skincare while living in my car. And I'm going to do a hygiene shopping, which I'm trying to wait till I get paid. And I'm going to include that video in there as well, what I buy for hygiene, far as keeping my hygiene and all that up while living in my car. So I'm gonna finish eating my oatmeal because I got some oatmeal from Starbucks, and I'm gonna end the night. So thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Share the video. And until next time, I'll see y'all again, and thank you all for watching.